Namaskar everyone. I am Bhavneet Sahani from Brother Opticians. A small journey started 16 years back by me and my brother Sumit.
Namaskar. Today we have with us Mr. Bhavneet Sahani from the famous luxury retail outlet named Brother Opticians. There have been multiple researches and articles published recently on sustainability and the key need for reusability. In this context, do you think resale of eyewear, especially sunglasses, is a possibility?
Madhurji, very interesting. Eyewear reusability, but now there's a trend is running towards more and more economy segment opening up, especially don't want to name the labels, but they're offering a low cost eyewear also. But if you typically talk about luxury, I think eyewear is the most affordable. So I don't think personally the first part that we need to have a separate portal for reusable luxury eyewear.
So in your opinion, this category needs another set of rules than the regular luxury category?
Definitely, Madhurji, because eyewear is something which tends to age faster as compared to the other luxury segments like automobiles or like electronics or let's say writing instruments. So eyewear tends to age faster. Once you start wearing on a daily basis, it tends to age, exposed to your routine sweat, your handling, scratches on the lenses. And as we discussed the other field, the electronics and automobile, there are a lot of companies which can repair or fix the part or change the part. But in eyewear, the model, it's a fashion-driven industry. So once the model is discontinued, there is no spare available, there is no repair happening. So then ultimately the reusable portal, the end consumer becomes a little handicapped because you bought it and you can't use it. It's just like a collector's edition, just keeping them with the shelf. So if ever this portal floats, definitely want to have the companies, the manufacturers on play so that they can repair or replace or service the good. Then only it's sensible to have a reusable luxury platform.
From the consumer's perspective, in the context of more environmentally responsible consumers and their changing preferences, do you foresee any need for a major shift for eyewear market?
Definitely, Madhurji, environment safety is the most prime issue now. We all see, and to some extent, we can blame COVID because of this. That's what we all have done, and we're getting in return. So it's a very good initiative, thinking of environmental safety. But if this is the context why we want to have a reusable eyewear, whether luxury or non-luxury, then I think we have better approach towards it. Because as we were discussing, eyewear tends to age, no more belongs to usable condition. So from environmental safety point of view, I would recommend that if the company and opticians in hand together, if we can provide certain drop boxes, people can drop in their defective or damaged or non-reusable frames, and the companies can procure the material back and reshape them and make them as good as new, and they can have a refurbished eyewear. In that ways, at least the materials can be reused, and definitely some kind of perks can be offered to all the people who are donating or disposing of their frames. In this way, we can reuse the materials, keeping the environment safe and keeping the product also intact and new.
Thank you so much for taking your precious time out at such a short notice.
It was totally my pleasure to have you, and I really wish and pray that we all remain safe, healthy, and come out of this pandemic as soon as possible.
Thank you again.